Start recording. Good. We've started though. Okay, so I will start sharing my. I will not touch you. Don't mess my work up. So I will start sharing my screen so that we will see what I'm doing from the beginning. Okay, so good. Let's not forget, if except if you want to pass message across, you can send me message on WhatsApp. You can signal to me, I will respond. I just want us to have audio that will be not be too that will be clean for you to watch later after the training. So let's make sure we do that. I'm sharing my screen already. Skip this version, abeg. Don't update. So I want us to do this. This is the beginning. Please, on your desktop, make sure you create a new folder. Create a new folder. I'm going to name my own cohort 3. So this is cohort 3, and I want us to go to that data set that you have. The data set you have, that one GHS that you downloaded. Open it. Open your own. It should be
Okay.
under download. Yes, under download, where we have post planting, post harvesting, all those one. Open wave 5. Okay, so we are going to be working with post harvest. Post harvest. So now open the household. Open the household. You will see this sec 1 underscore harvest w5. What is the meaning? Section 1 harvest wave 5. That is what it means. You will see it. You have sec 1, 2, 2b, 2c, 3a, 3b. So please move the first one, this first one, and the second one. Copy it. I hope we are watching it, right? Copy. Then come to where you have cohort 3. Open it and paste it there. Can I move forward?
Yes.
Come again, please.
Where do you say we paste it?
I said the first thing is for you to create a folder. See my own that I'm moving like this. Create a folder. Call it cohort 3. Cohort 3.
Okay. Folder on the desktop.
Yes. Label it cohort 3. Okay. So label it cohort 3. Then go to that GHS that you downloaded. Open it. You will see post harvest. Then you will see post planting. Open post harvest, and you will see agriculture, community, then household. Inside that household, open it. Copy section 1 and section 2. Let me know if I can move forward.
Okay, I think I've done that.
You have done that. Thank you so much. Any other person?
I've
Sister
done that.
Blessing? Okay, thank you, Sister Mary. Sister Blessing?
I'm still on it.
Okay. UBK? Sifa, right?
Sorry, after pasting it on the folder, what next?
Yes, just put it there like that. We are going to be working with the two.
Yeah, what is the second one you say we should copy?
It's section 1 and section 2. We have sec 1, sec 2. Let me show us. So you should have this. You see sec 1, sec 2.
Okay.
These two should be inside that folder. Stephen? Please, we'll take it slow with each other, but please let's be smart about it. If you are not there, just tell us, wait for me, so we'll know that you are with us. Okay.
Can you hear me?
Okay. Good evening. She's with us. Are you there? Have you done it?
Yes, I cannot hear you.
Hey, Jesus Christ. Okay, can you hear me now?
Very difficultly. Your
Try
sound
to.
is not even good.
Okay, others, can you hear me, please?
Yeah, I
Yes, I
think
can hear you.
I can hear you.
Okay. And Sifa, please check your volume. Try to increase the
Maybe
volume.
network.
Let me reset my internet,
Mm.
maybe.
It's important for you to
If
hear me.
you are clear, I can hear you.
Mm.
Not internet, is the setting. Internet is clear because we can hear her.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe it's my side.
So try to adjust something. Try to adjust something. So, dear Lord, we commit this training to your hands. Help us. We must all hear. We must all understand in the name of Jesus. Amen. Let her rejoin. So we'll continue. Okay. So we should have this. I will use this practical 5.
So where we are is to copy sec 1 and 2
And
to the
2.
folder, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes. Is she back? Okay. I'll continue now. Then when she join, maybe from question, when people start asking questions, she will pick from there so that will not waste other people's time. Okay. So we are going to start by looking at the STATA interface. So please everyone, open your starter. Don't forget we put it at the task bar. Here under your this task menu, you will see the starter 17. Sister Blessing, you were not around. I asked us to put it there. So if you have not done that, all you need to do is to search for starter. Search for starter. If you see it like this and you will see other things here, just click on pin to task bar, because my own is there already. So if I click this, it will unpin it. So you put it there, pin to the task bar. So we all have our starter 17 here at the task bar. So now this is how to open starter. So I'm doing this so that we understand the difference between you just opening your starter and when you want to import. So please double click and this starter will open interface. Okay, I click on it twice, so I'm sure I will have double. So I want to close. So when you click it twice, it will open. Okay, so we have interface like this. The reason I have my own is because I like to cover the serial number, because if I put this video up, so we have, this is how the interface look like. So I'll be talking about the important things that we have here and what we'll be using them for. So I normally tell people that starter is very easy to work with, and this is the proof. Now in this,
Where did you click to have the interface?
no, just open your starter. Open that starter 17 that you have at the task bar, the one we pinned during the
Yeah.
induction. Yes,
Yeah, it's open there.
it's there, right? Okay, so make sure you only have one that is open so that it will not be messy. Okay, all right, so this is the proof. When you look at this interface, you can easily tell which is which. Now look at this side, you see history. Can you all see history? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so this space here, from here down here, we call it history window. So this is history window. And what do we use this for? And whatever you are doing, it will be keeping record and be showing you whether what you are doing is wrong or right. It will shall be here, everything will be showing here. So we also have command window. See, you can play with it, it's not rigid. I'm sure by now your own will be very small like this. You see, this is command. This is where you type things. Whatever you want to say, this is where you type it. But note, it is not rigid. You can adjust it to fit whatever you want to do. Then by my right hand, we have another window. We call it variable. This is variable window. You see where they put variables. So if we bring any information here, if we upload any data, you will see it will show here. It will give you the description of what you have, and we are going to be doing it by practice. Like it will show us this is variable window. I'm saying all this so that when I'm telling you that, oh, go to your variable window, check the properties window, so you will know where to go to. So please, it's important. Put this in mind. You see that they are not something that look tangible, but it's very important. So we have variable window. We have another one below it that is called properties window. Properties window. Now this, just like your system or your phone, when you check the property, it will tell you, it will give you information about that the phone or the laptop that you have. The same thing if you have a Word document and you click on the property, to tell you how many gig, what are the features that you have there. It's the same thing in starter. So look at this page. We are going to focus on variables and observation. For the purpose of this class, we will focus on variables and observation. For now, it is showing 0 0 because I have nothing here, and it is telling me I have 0 observation and 0 variable. So I hope we are all clear. Now there's a place that is very very important up here. Can you all see my cursor? Somebody is calling my attention. Okay, Stameri, go ahead please.
Okay. On your screen, I can see that both both pages, like on top and downward, where the command is blank. What I can see here,
Okay, it's
the
different,
starter
right?
is showing the starter statistics. Yes.
Yes, the reason I put my own like that is because I don't want the serial number to be out. Do you get? You know I'm the one recording.
Okay.
So that's the difference. If
Yes.
I
Okay.
scroll up, you see it.
Mm.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Any other question, please?
I get lost.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I'm connecting to my phone.
Okay. Okay. So please, if you are not getting anything, just draw me back. What I asked us to do is that you should go to that data set, that GHS, open it. You will see post harvest, you will see post planting. We open post harvest. You can be jotting it down. You open post harvest. Inside that post harvest, you will see agric, community, household. Open household and you will see section 1, section 2. So copy section 1 and 2, then go and put it in that folder that you created on your desktop. Why did I ask us to do that?
Is
It is for easy access, so that when we want to pick it, we are
is it
not. Ma,
so is it under
is it on? Come again. Let me go back.
is it under agriculture?
Yeah, no, household. See, oh yeah, look at my screen.
Oh gosh.
Don't worry, it's
Okay,
it's network.
household. Okay.
See, you have
So
GHS.
should
I don't want you
let's
to go and copy something. We have different two households there. Post harvest. Do you see post harvest? Open post harvest.
okay,
Agriculture,
post
community, household.
okay,
Now open
okay,
household. Copy this
okay.
first one and the second one. Thank you.
And then
Just copy it. Copy like this. Control C. Copy. Then you can close that place. Go to your desktop where you have this, the folder that you have created. See my own here. You will open it. Open. Then paste it inside. Me, I already have it here. Just the two. Forget about my notes. 1, 2. You should have the two. Are we good?
let me see if copy. Okay.
All right. So thank you so much. Have you done that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, what I want us to do now is we want to start the training now. I say open your starter, open the starter software. You know, during the induction, we move the starter, we move it to the taskbar, right?
Start bar.
Yes.
Here,
That
down here. Can you see my
20.
screen? Down, where you have your WhatsApp, Google, something, something, something. Who is that? Okay. Mr. Blessing, do you want to say something?
No, sorry. I have to join with my other life.
Okay. And so reduce the volume.
So mom, the one uh, the one with the Wednesday data 17.
The one we installed, this one, can you see my screen? Down here, you will have, you see my TikTok, Facebook, but go to start and double click. It will come up like this.
Because that one I sent you the picture of the way the way it's coming.
Let me see what the picture you sent me. Yes, it is. It's good. That's what I want you to open. You are correct.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. So you will have this. See, that's what Sister Mary asked. There is something here, up here. There is something, but on purpose. Me, I'm not showing my own, but it will show for every other person. So let's continue. I said this is the interface of STATA. This software, this is the interface. We have history window. This is history window. We have command window. We have variable window, property window. Then we have result window. You see where you are seeing this, or this one that you are seeing here.
Well, I don't have those things.
You have. See, if your own,
I
hold
have
on. Oh
five.
yeah, I noticed the way your own is. See, do you notice that I'm moving this thing? Can you see what the way my cursor is? Move it till you have this plus sign. You can move it up, you can move it down. Your own, by this side here, you have it to be like this. So I want you to bring it out, the way you will be able to
To
see it
drag it,
clearly.
drag it out.
Yes, drag it out.
How?
Are we good? We have the same thing. It's because you maybe like you have touched it before, that's why. You see, you can touch it. You can touch it the way you want it to be. We are good, right?
No.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much. So let's continue. The command window, we already know where that one is, right? This is our command window here, where we'll be typing things. That is command window. Let me do it so that you see. If I type, the history will keep it. This side is called history window. Anything I type here, the result window will show it. If I perform the operation or not, if the operation is right or wrong, the result window will bring it out. And when it is showing red, it means that there is error. There is error. In STATA, there is nothing to be worried about, because if you make any mistake, you can easily trace it and correct it. There's nothing like, oh, I mistakenly delete this thing and that is the end. No, you can trace it back to from the history. You start all over and use your command again. Then the variable window will show you the list of the variables that you have in your data set. List of the variables that you have in your data set will be shown here in this variable window. Then the command window is where you type. Are we clear? Please pay attention. Under these properties, this where you have properties is a window too. The most important thing here is this variables and observation. It will tell us how many observation do you have, how many variables do you have. Please remind me, we are to tell us the
Ma,
difference
part,
between. I'm listening to you.
sorry, ma. The part you are navigating that don't have that one. I don't see that one.
You don't have which one?
That place you are navigating to COZ. I don't see that one.
No problem. You don't have these properties. Is it this?
No. Yes.
Okay, no problem. Just in case maybe at any point in time, even after the training, you just notice that this window is not complete, come up here under this menu and toolbar. This menu and toolbar where you have file, edit, data, graphics, statistics, user, window. If any of this window is missing, please click on that window. Do you see it? If whatever that is
Yes,
missing
and that
there,
one.
please put it. If this property is missing, click on it to add it. So do it now and confirm to us that you have it. Thank you.
Hmm. It's giving names, label, type, format, value, label. Oh.
Okay.
It's giving what?
a table with name, left,
Yes,
type, format.
yes, you are correct. So we are on the same page now, right?
Okay.
All right, thank you so much. So we are just looking at the interface, yeah. So this is we have the menu and toolbar. This one is useful for point and click. If you don't want to write command, you can do point and click. So let me start from this point and click to show us. Who is the pen? So you can click on, I'm sorry my family, you can click on file. So any operation you want to perform, you will see open data set, you see view, do, file name, change working directory, log, import, export, print, example data and recent. All these we'll be using them later. We have edit. When you have edit, let's say you want to clear result window, you click on this, it will clear it. Can you see it has removed everything? So it has removed everything from there. If you are looking for something, you can do find, just like in your Microsoft Word where you normally look for Control F and you look for whatever you want to do. So these are the things that you have there. Under data, you see, if you want to describe, I'll be talking more about that. You can describe your data set, data in the memory, data in the code book, inspect your variable, you want to list the data. All these are for point and click, and as we are doing it, I'll be showing you, as we are moving forward, I'll be showing you how to do it. So it's something that you should explore even on your own. You already have the software with you. This is for if you want to create new variable. If I want to start creating now, this is not part of the this thing. Maybe I want to say name, maybe like name of the people. I can begin to create specify a value of expression. Fill this one, just for example. On the main menu specify a value. Let me just put one. So you see I've started creating something. I can still go back here. This data, like I want to create new variable, that's name. I may want to say gender. I'm just using this one to show us gender. Let me say gender. Let me put 2 so that it will not confuse us. I will say okay. So I will use this one to show us another thing. You can see that I've started creating something. This name is wrong. I will use it to show us how to rename. So this data, you can frame manager, you can look at the data utility, maybe like you want to label something, you want to write note, you want to group variable, you want to change, you can sort. Just like anybody that is familiar with Microsoft Excel, maybe like you want to sort from new to old, from smallest to the largest, like all those things you can sort. If you want to combine data sets, which is one of the unique feature of STATA, like you want to merge different files together, you can come under this combine. You can either merge data or you can form all the pair. All this one are for advanced, but you see this merge and append. Append means you want to put it under. Merge means you want to add it by the side. For example, we are 5 here. Each of us, if we had, you have your name, you have your age, your country, you have it already, right? And we are just 5. At a point, maybe like in another file, you now have your educational level, your background, your genotype, all those things in another file. We will merge it together because you are already there, your name is there. You just want to add it to the information that you have before. That is when you will merge data sets. But if we want to talk about append, we are 5 already. If we now want to bring maybe like another set of people, maybe like another 5, what we are going to do is we append, we put it by below us, right? Or we will put our own data below the other data that we have that is existing before. Are we good? So this one are just introduction. We have not yet started lecturing. So under graph, this graphic, you will see other things. This is where analysis begin. Like you have all these bar charts, do charts. If you want to do point and click, these are the places to check. Do you see? And when you look at it, bar chart, dot, pair, histogram, box plot, contour, look at this distributional graph. You can see that even in front of it, you have so many other things, so many other analysis in front of that alone. Then when you have this shooting and density, you see you have other things too. Regression, that see, these are just little things that you can see. And the reason I used to tell people that the moment, it depends on where you want to face. Analysis is not limited. It depends on what you are doing. And since you have the software to use, all you need is to get the fundamental knowledge. Then when you want to now specify and say, oh, this is the type of analysis that I want to do, if it's not part of the one that we want to do, that is when you say, oh, I want to learn this one. We are going to be doing hypothesis testing. We look at t-test, ANOVA, chi-square test. We look at regression, logistic, simple and multiple regression. So if you move to statistics, you see you have summary. These are descriptive. In front of it, you can see so many things that is still showing. I just want to use this opportunity to show you that it is not limited. Analysis is not limited. Now, if you move to linear model, see other things, then you begin to see as you are moving forward, you are still seeing so many other things. But I will give you the fundamental, the things that I know that it is common that you can do. Then, and that is point and click of this STATA interface. Do you have any question, please? Any question?
Please,
Go
ma'am,
ahead. Go ahead.
can you come back this this stuff about statistics?
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm there.
Okay, is it a place where we can create t-test and ANOVA?
Okay. We'll get there. We'll get there. Yes. We'll start doing from here. Do you see classical test of
Okay.
hypothesis? Do you see t-test? So I will show us how to do. At least t-test is part of the outline. ANOVA is there. Regression is there. And you know regression is under linear, right? You see linear regression. And if I begin to
Okay.
click, then we start seeing things. Do you get? So I will show us. Thank you so much. So now part of the things that I want to show us is this. You know, I created something. I just put this one in place just in case if you have, let's say the information you want to analyze is in maybe like PDF, or you have it in a printed document and you need to create the table just like we do for Excel, that you will need to open Excel and start doing data entry. So this is the same thing. I use point and click to do that under data. Now, if you look at this data, if I do describe, if I want to describe the data that I have in the memory, I will just click on, you see, I don't want you to cram it though, it's not hard. I'm just using this to, as if I'm introducing us. When I say describe data, right, you can read it. It's something that we can read and be able to interpret what we are saying. So I want to describe the data in the memory, the data that I have inside this, the memory. I say, okay, describe. And it's bringing this one. It say in the memory, right? And look at it. Make sure you read as a data analyst. And when you have option for points and click, just read and follow instruction. Like you want to install, they will be telling you, do you agree with this thing? Click I agree. When you agree, it will take you to the next one. You say next till you finish whatever you want to do. So in this place is telling you that variables, leave empty for all variables. I only have two here, right? I will leave empty and I'll say okay. Then it will describe what I have. By the time I put clear information like a data set that makes sense, you will see the difference now. So the command is just clear. And when I was generating, I said generate name equal 1, generate double gender equal 2. So no issue. Under this data too, if I want to know what did I have, we have a place that we call data editor. data editor. Under data editor we have edit. That means if I already have information and I want to tamper with it, I want to edit it, either I want to write or I want to remove, I can click on edit. Edit means you want to tamper with it, you want to start editing. That's what it means. You see, this is what I created that time. I put name, gender, I put name, I put gender. So if I want to start to write, say name, I'll say Titi, I'll say Mary, Blessing, like that. You see, I'm writing. What is their gender? I'll say maybe like male, female. Do you see? I say male. So that means I'm doing it already. Say applying change to previous cell. Apply. I say yes. So I'm editing. I'm tampering with it. So this one that I'm doing now is point and click. It's called point and click. And look at it, it's showing red. That means this thing is a text. And you know systems, all this software about text, they don't understand text. They only understand number. So that is why it's showing red. When you have something like this, we normally call it the string. So this is a string. This number is this text now is a, see everything that I'm doing, because I'm doing point and click, oh, that's why it's long like this. So by the time I begin to write the normal way, like you will see, I will write something simple and I'll be able to perform great operation. So so look at it, everything, all this point and click that I'm doing is showing here. Even though I don't, maybe like this is the command I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to say replace, because this gender is wrong, is not correct. I'll say gender, replace gender. I'll say gender, the correct one. Rename, I want to rename. It has done. This single line, it has changed, can you see? But no issue, we'll get there. This one is just paparazzi, like I just want to show you, okay, this is how to do point and click. Point and click will be taking you too long and all of that, so but it's okay like this. If I want to sort, okay, under this data, you know I talk about data editor. I say data editor, edit and browse. If it's browse, note that time when I click data editor, another window will open. This is the window. You can also try it in your space. It's not going to affect anything, it will not spoil anything. Right, even if it's rubbish, right, we are still learning it, we are new. Right, another window will open. This one is edit, right? Just in case when you are doing your own, so you will not think, hey, what did I press? Have I, you know, that one is open. Now I want to go to data editor. You see, it will give you something like this to ask you, do you want to change the mode? Because I'm currently using edit mode, do you want to change to browse? I will say yes, and it's not a must. The only thing I need to do is to just close this. So you can see I only have this one open. So if I want to do that, browsing means you just want to look through, you are not doing anything. If you open your TikTok and you are just scrolling, you are browsing. Not until you begin to type, to comment, to like, then you have started editing mode. So that is what it means. Okay. So we'll continue. So if I want to browse, like I want to know if I have meat in my freezer, I have rice, I have a lot of things. You just want to browse and say, what did I even have in this fridge? The only thing is you open it and you are just looking at it. That does not mean that it will be served and be on your table, because you are just browsing. That is what browse is just mean. The same way, when people give you data, as a data analyst, somebody is bringing something to you, is new. The only thing you need to do is to explore, and there are different ways to explore your data set. The first one is to browse through it. You can browse, then you can summarize, you can tabulate to see what they have there. Okay, so that is it. This one now, I don't need this data set. I will just use it to show us that we already know the interface, right? Let me show us how to save. You know, I put something here even though it's not making sense. So if you want to save whatever you have, you bring it under file, click file, then you say save. If you are saving it for the first time, no problem. But if you open a existing file and you touch it, maybe like you replace something, you drop, you extract, I normally advise that you don't save direct. You do save as. Just like the same way you do your Microsoft Word. You don't want to delete the existing one. Maybe you still need it. You just do save as. So this is how to save depending on what you are doing. If it's save as you want to do, or you just want to save it straight.
Yeah.
So go ahead, somebody want to say something. Sister Mary.
Yeah. So how did you, before our save is, the save is still not activated? How did you open where you have something to save?
Okay. If you have nothing on this data set, if there's nothing here, if you did not perform any operation, then there is nothing to save. Do you get? Try to write something.
Okay, I
Write something.
understand.
Write something. Everybody, please write
Yeah.
something. You can say generate or gen. Write generate or gen.
You will write something
Yes, in the command. We want to do
on the
something.
command there.
Yes, let's do practical. Generate. So say name. Me, I already have name. Is it okay? I will use this one to show us something again. Generate name equal to, let me write Mary. Not Mary, no. I said generate now because it's a text. It has done it too. So everybody, please write. Say generate name equal to. You can put your own name. Have we done that?
Mine is saying blessing not found.
It will be like that because it is a number. See what I did. Let me
Sorry, where are we supposed to write? Is it at the command?
Yes, at the command. Any operation you want to perform should be at the command. Oh yeah, Sister Blessing, see. Can you see my screen? Because it's a text.
Yes, I
See
can.
what I did. I put this quotation mark around it because it's a text. Have you done that?
I'm about doing that too.
Mr. Mary, just take notes.
Okay. I wanted to understand what you mean
Yes, I've done that.
by point and kill and point and kill.
Okay, point and click. Yes. Okay, I will show you now. I will show you. Mr.
The
Blessing, have you
save
done
is
it?
still not activated.
Yes.
The save is not activated.
Even after writing, after writing something, yeah.
Okay, that's the reason I normally like participants. You will share the screen. We'll look at it together. We'll look at the issue. Okay. So, oh yeah, let's try it again. I want you to do another one. Say generate age. Mr. Okay, please do it. Generate age equal
Okay.
missing dot. Say generate age equal missing. Have you done that?
Yeah, I've done, but what I'm writing is coming below, not up like yours. Or should I do?
Oh,
I should I clear it
no, don't
first?
worry. Is it coming like this? When you say generate HS size, I just want to generate something to see what
My
you are
own is
saying.
coming below the command.
Like
Yeah,
very
yeah.
close, like
Okay.
is the way my
Yeah,
window
it's
is,
normal now.
and it's normal. So it's because of the way I adjust this thing. You get? So there's nothing. Starter is so
Sorry,
sweet. Ma, somebody wants to say something.
what sign is? I said what sign is the missing sign?
What sign? Okay, missing
You
is
said
dot,
I should get.
dot, dot.
Okay.
You see, dot. This one now, when I say generate age equal dot, that is missing. It's missing. We will learn more about it. You know, this is introduction, right? Now, you see, I've done so many things here. You know, we are not seeing it. The result is showing. It's telling me that I did I generated this, even though it gave me error, but it will not show at the back end. If I want to see, this is it's telling me I generated name, I generated gender, name, age, HHS, household size. That's what I shortened to be that. Now I don't even know what is inside this thing. When you import anything into this space, you will be seeing this, but how do you explore this? Just go straight to your data. This is point and click. Oh, Sister Mary, this is point and click. I'll go to my data, I'll go to data editor, I'll now go to browse or edit. I shall want to look at what I have at the back end. I want to use browse. Can you see? It will show me that I have name, that I put Titi, Mary, Blessing, gender, I put all of this, name, Mary, this. I was one that said generate name to be Mary, all of them Mary. In this place, I say generate age to be missing. You see that is missing. As if when you have Microsoft Excel or any other one, when your respondent did not give you information, if they did not answer that question, it will be missing. Do you see? They didn't tell me their age, they didn't tell me anything about their none of them provide age. The three of them, nobody tell me their age. This is the meaning of this. Then for household size, you know, I say generate household size equal 1. I'm saying that let me assign 1 to all of them, that they just have one person in their household. Now I want to show you another. All this thing, I will bring them back to the normal place where we have the lecture. But this one is just introduction. Now, what is the difference between this first one that I say name in capital letter and name in small letter? And STATA allow me to do that. Let's look at the magic. I want to close this. It's not affecting my work. Now, are we together? Can I continue? Give me sign.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Siva, are you there? Sifa, is she there? UBK.
Um,
Okay.
I'm there, ma'am. I just don't.
You are not getting it.
No.
Okay. Oh yeah, take notes. You will tell me the part that is not clear. I will stop when, like in 30 minutes time, I will stop. Then everybody will ask question so that I will clarify it. If there is need for you to show your screen, you show your screen and we'll settle that. So please stay with me so that you will know the right question to ask. Do you get? You will learn when you are
Okay.
doing it yourself. When you are the one clicking, we are telling you click this one, it will be much better. Mr. Okay, you want to say something? Mr. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Now look at this one. I have name. This one in capital letter, this is in small letter. This is to tell you that STATA is if it's about your variable. This name that I have, this one is different from name. They are not the same thing. This is totally different from this. So if I want to perform any operation, maybe like in this place now, I only have name and I say, let's see, I want to do something. I want to replace this okay, I want to say in capital letter name. Do you see? You see that I did not have this name. I didn't have it here, but I'm telling STATA that you replace name to be equal to 1. It will tell me variable name not found. If I say replace NA, then I put capital letter, I put like this, and I say equals to this, it will tell me this one not found. But if I put normal one, I'm saying replace this one. So I normally advise that whatever any operation you want to perform, is important for you to come to this variable, point at it. Please everybody look at it, look at what I want to do. Come, this is the name, this is the one I want to deal with. There's this arrow that look like download arrow that is showing down. Beside that thing that you want to work with, just click on it. It will bring you to the command window. So I'll say replace name equal 1. It will change it for me. Replace equal, okay, because let me look at what I have at the back end.
It's okay.
Sir?
Yeah, doctor, the point, our own command is not interpreting just like yours. Our own is static.
Okay. I'm going to stop sharing. Somebody should
We still
volunteer
have
to share.
where a
So,
right side and standard edition.
okay. Okay. So let me close this page by saying if you want to save now, you come to this. Now look at it here. Under here you have save. My own is active because I've made changes to whatever I have here. All I need to do is you can either click this save direct, where you have save, print, you have another thing, log, you have something that is showing like you want to new viewer, like you want to look at something. There's graph, there's another one that is called do file. There's another thing that is showing like editor. Instead of you going straight to this data, what you have here is also here at this menu and toolbar. You still have it. You can also search for something. Now I want to save. You will come here and click save. I have one important information that I want to pass across. When you want to save, make sure that you identify the folder that you want to save inside, because it will give you the last thing that you work with. But I want to save it inside cohort 3. So make sure you go to your desktop and identify that cohort 3 that you want and save it there. Which name do you want to give it? I'll say practice 1, or I will say day 1. I will delete it later. I'll say day 1. And I'll say save. Do you see? Instead of me to write this command, because I don't know how to navigate and say I will start writing command, save, I will say open quotation mark, I will write the command of where I want it to save. It's too long. I don't need to cram that. Just go straight to file and go and save it there. That is point and click. You are not writing code, you are not writing command for that. So I will stop here. I will stop sharing. Another person should share. So who is ready to share? I've stopped sharing my own screen. Let's use somebody's laptop. Okay, Mr. Steven is sharing. I've seen the error. Good.
So that is my window.
Sir? Eh? You can't come in now. Hello, sir. Prof, I'll call you back, sir. 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 I'm sorry, family. Okay, so I know where the don't worry, don't worry. Let me show you. Hold on. So part of the things that we will learn is this. You see, there is telling you that command gen is unrecognized. That is true. It is not
Yeah.
recognized because
Mm.
STATA commands are not written in capital letter. They are always in small letter. So
Mm.
let's do it again.
Okay.
Generate, write it in small letter, gen. You can say gen or generate.
Mm.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now write name. I advise us to always use small letter. Name.
Mm.
Hmm? Are we good? Equal. You can write your name.
Yeah.
Write your own. Don't write one. So
Okay.
because it is text that you want to write, I advise you put it in quotation mark. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. It's double quotation.
Okay.
Good.
Should I type in small letters?
Yeah, and it doesn't matter because it is the name, but always write in small. It's okay like that. Oh yeah, enter.
Okay.
So what is the difference? Do you see? Is it working
Yeah.
now? So can you browse
Yes, it's
this?
working now.
Good. Can you browse? Let's look at what you have at the back end.
Okay. This one.
Okay, no problem. You see in this command, because I say browse, you can write browse, write it in the command. Sister Blessing, Sister Mary, Mr. Okay, UBK, please, are you looking at it? Another person will share screen. Now enter, browse.
Okay. So
Thank
the
you.
data editor browsers
Mm.
actually come.
Mm-hmm. You see, Sister Mary, the question you ask when I talk about writing command and doing point and click, before, if I don't want to do point and click, I will write command, and that command in starter, if you want to do that operation of you want to look at what you have at the back end, you want to exploit the data set that you have, you can easily type browse. But let's say you do not remember the
Mhm.
command, you can use point and click. So Mr. Stephen, close this particular one. Let's use point and click to browse this
Okay.
data.
Okay.
You said you want to do you in data in memory. Okay, now use point and click. Use point and click. Okay, good.
Okay.
Browse.
Mhm.
You have done it, right? So Sister Mary, can you see
Yes.
you are performing the same operation, but maybe
Yes.
because you do not remember to write command, you prefer to write the you prefer to use the command, or you do point and click, anyone that is convenient for you.
Okay.
You will just do it. So thank you so much. Close this one, Mr. Stephen. Let's not forget, In
Okay.
STATA, STATA is case sensitive with their command. You can write your variable anyhow you want it, but STATA is case sensitive with their command. You see, you can sort. So I want us to use data that makes sense now. Now, so close this one, sir. Close your own. You can go and save. Do as if you want to save, but don't save it because this one did not make sense. You see that your save is now active, right? Thank you. Do you see?
Yes, it's now active.
So Mr. Stephen, use
Yes.
that opportunity to show me this import. Click on import. Just look at good. It's okay like that. Now everybody please look at this.
Okay.
To import means you want to bring in a data set. That is the meaning of import. Export means you are taking it out. We can easily save, right? We can save. If you want to take something out, you can easily save. But let's say me, I have STATA software. All of us, we all have STATA software. But there is a friend of us that did not have STATA software, and this person wants to work on this particular information that we have. We don't need to stress the person. It's either we take to that person in form of Excel, or we give the person in form of SPSS. You see all this one that you are seeing here, these are the format that you can either import means you can bring in. That means if your client should give you Excel
Information.
to work with, you don't need to start typing it. You can bring it to STATA and start working on it. You can bring it in form of SPSS, you can bring it as SAS, any one that you have here. ODBC is also part of it that you can bring in to work with. Now please move to export. Move to export. So do you see? That means you can take out in form of this Excel spreadsheet. You can also resort to Excel. You can do the same thing, and all of these too that you can export. So thank you so much. Mr. Stephen, close this. I want another person to
Please, I have a question.
please go ahead.
How come his button of save and save as is active?
It can be, the two can be.
Yeah,
There
because
was a time he said it wasn't active.
And because
I've
that time,
performed an operation.
is that Sister Mary?
Oh, okay.
Abi Sister Blessing?
Yes,
Okay, Sister Mary, that time he did not do
Mary.
anything. Sister Mary, okay, that time he did not do anything on the, he did not have any information, nothing has changed, so there's nothing to save. That was the reason it wasn't active before.
Okay.
Are we good? So thank
Oh,
you.
okay.
Is Sister Blessing
Thank you.
there, or Mr. Okay? So Mr. Stephen, stop sharing your
Yes,
screen.
I'm
I
there.
want another person to share his or her screen. Then we'll use data that makes sense now. Thank you.
Can I share some? Maybe that will help me to learn because I
Yes,
don't understand.
yes, please share. Anybody can share. Whose screen am I seeing now? Is this UBK?
Yes, I've stopped sharing.
Okay, Mr. Stephen have stopped sharing. So please,
These are okay. Sorry.
no, ask, Mr. Stephen.
Okay, if you want to import maybe a file, can you
Yes,
drag and drop, or maybe you can just import it from the starter?
let's just import. This is let's import. Let's do it the normal way, because that drag and
Okay.
drop, it
Thank
will
you.
not capture something. So let's do import. I will show you things on when we want to import, but we are still on
Okay.
looking at the interface. Let's familiarize ourselves with that.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So let's wait for UBK Sifa to share our screen.
Okay.
Ah, where is Mr. Okay, his network. Oh. What happened, sir? You
No,
dropped.
no, no, I'm here.
Okay.
I mistakenly eject.
Okay.
Uh,
No problem. So please,
okay, can I share?
and we want
No.
UBK to share. Then after UBK, you share your screen. I want her to at least let her
Okay.
flow with us.
Okay, here. And then let's see.
Can you see
Can you
remember?
see me? Can you see my screen?
No, no, give it time. Maybe it's your
Yeah.
network.
I'm not seeing
We are
it.
not seeing it. It may be your network, Just take it calm, take it slow. Make sure you press that share and allow it to load. Do you get? We are waiting for you.
Okay.
Share and make sure you share entire screen. Close any personal stuff that you have on your desktop.
Okay.
Thank you.
You see the screen?
Not yet.
Can you see my screen?
No, no,
Ah, I not see.
not yet. We
Maybe your
can't
Okay.
see.
network.
Is under content, right? Share the content.
Is it saying
What should I
share the
have put
content
in? Yes.
and share?
You are sharing the screen, not the content.
Can you see, because here they're asking me if I should stop sharing. So is anybody see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
It's coming
You
up.
can see.
Yes,
Okay.
it's coming up. So we can see this one now. All you need to do is to minimize this. You see down here, you have Microsoft Team. Leave it like that. At your this your taskbar, do you see STATA? STATA, there's STATA. Or
Yes,
show me your
STATA is here.
desktop.
Is this one?
Oh yeah, bring it. Click on it.
I
Hold on. By the side. The next one.
activities.
Good. Yes, minimize. Thank you.
So
Okay.
so
First thing you should do is this. You see window up. You have file, edit, data, graphics, statistics, user, window.
okay.
That window, click.
Here?
Yes. Click on variables. These variables, double click. Variables. Yes, double click. You see, it has come up. Go to that window again.
Yeah.
Click properties.
Here, right?
The one that
Oh,
follow.
what is
Where is showing control F, control 4. Do you see? So we have the same screen now. Oh yeah, clap for me.
Okay.
So
But
do you see is
what
okay now? Talk. I'm listening to you.
is the, they are down here, right? Two folders
Okay,
here.
now you can move this your command up or down. Move your mouse and under as if you have that command. You know there's one line up straight. There's another one that bridge it. Then you have where it is written command, right? Just
This
try
one,
to
right?
move your try to move your mouse to that line. I want it to give you a perfect plus so that you move it up. It's not a must anyway, but try do it calmly, do it calmly. Yes. Do it again. It's giving you one plus sign. Do it again. Move as if you are playing with it.
It's supposed to be here.
And
Okay.
yes, perfect. Do you see? You can play with it. All these ones are not analysis, they are not anything.
Okay.
You just want to do it to make sure that it's convenient for you. Do you get? So that this is the meaning of this.
Okay.
Are we good? Okay.
Okay.
So what we have been doing in this command, I say type gen, gen, or you can say generate. I will try to send us the command, STATA basic command. I will send it to us. Gen, gen.
Mm-hmm.
Say name. Name. There's space there. Put space. Name. Yeah, equal to. Write your name. No, if it's number, if you type it like that, it will go. But if you want to write text, you will put it in this double quotation mark. I want you to write your name. In fact, I want it to give you error first so that you know that there is no big deal in having error. Do you get it? But this one is correct. What you are
Okay.
writing is correct.
Okay.
So enter. That means you are done. Close down. Do you see? If you look at your variable window, can you see? It is there already. Note,
Okay.
you wanted to write name, but you put NAM, right? In a situation where you have something like that and you want to correct it, there is no big deal.
Okay.
Now, use the command replace. I will still teach us how to rename, how to replace. Write rename. You want to rename this variable. Rename.
So
RE
down here.
in your command. Anytime you want to type, it is under that command. Good. Rename. It remain E. E. Space. Rename. Put space. Now go and put this one. I will see if you understand. When I say you should always go to your variable to click on it and bring it to command. Rename. Go and this one that you want to rename. This is what you want to rename, Abi. Go there. Go to your
This
variable
one.
window. Go to variable window. Do you know variable window? Good. Move it small to the left. It must show you one arrow that is facing down as if you want to download something. Hold on. No. UBK, see. Leave that place. Go back to your command. Click out. We have in this place now, we have 5 windows. Are you with me? This interface that we are looking at now, we have 5 windows. The first one by the left that you have up there is called history window. And you can see that anything that you write and then you enter, that means you perform that operation. History is keeping the record for you. That is why you see this
Okay.
gen
Okay.
equal to that you did that time is under history. So this window now is called history window. Just in case I say go to history window, you go to that place. Now where you are typing this your command now, we call it command window. That make it two, abi? You see this one at the middle where it is
Okay.
showing when you type gen name 2, it shows you that you did that. We call it result window. That
Okay.
is the third windows that we have here open now, right? Now when you look at your right
So
hand
the
side,
first, sorry, ma'am.
go ahead,
The first window is this.
is history.
Is this result window?
Yes,
History. Okay.
yes.
The second one is command.
No. That's not a
Or
window.
this one.
See,
Okay.
you see where they put history, right?
Okay.
You see that
Here.
place where that line that is above that history move straight to where there is X. Then as if there's another line that show down again. That entire window, that box, regardless of whether whatever you are seeing inside it, I know you can see command, but the entire window
Yes. Yes.
itself, that space, this small box that you are looking at, is, I say, by the left, right? That entire place is a window. It's called history window. Are we good?
Yes.
Now you see this place that you put rename. Come down, come.
Okay. Here.
Yes, you can see command written in blue with this white, and the background is showing blue, right? So you see that blue
Yes.
straight down, and again down to where you write this rename. All the entire white that you are seeing under that command, it is a window. Is it clear now? Good.
Yes.
Now at the middle where you are having these statistics and data science, copyright, this one, blah blah, gen name 2, do you identify where I'm saying? Oh yeah, put your cursor to be sure that you know where what I'm talking about. Put it to be sure.
This one.
I'm not seeing your
This one, right?
That is your menu and toolbar. Where you have
Okay.
statistics
You say
and data science,
you
serial
meant
license,
this?
serial number, license
Okay. He.
notes, that entire
Okay.
place where all
This
those
one.
things are showing, they are called
Mm-hmm.
results window, because that is where your result will be showing. Are you with me?
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So oya, move to your right hand side. Can you see another thing there? Can you see where they put
But
variables?
yes.
You see that entire place, the box that is showing
Mm-hmm.
down before you start seeing another one that is showing properties. That variables, where you have this your name, that box, we call it a window. It is variable window. Are you clear?
Yes.
So because I want you to rename, I say under this, when I now say go to variable window, you already know where your variables are, right? This name that you put, you
Yes.
wanted to write NAME, but you end up writing NAM. Maybe you are not comfortable
Yes.
with it and you want to write it properly. I say what you will do is you
Yes.
want to rename. Now you have given the command, you have put the command at the command window, you say rename. But now STATA will wait for you to say, you are telling me to rename. Which one do you want me to rename? So you have to bring this one here. Go to your variable window now. Click on that particular one that you want to rename. Can you see one small arrow there? Good. Otito is okay. You see that it's there now. We have rename.
Okay.
That thing is there.
Yes.
Now go back to your command window and click on it, because you want to tell STATA that this one this is what I want you to rename it as. Now write correct thing that you want. NAME.
Okay.
That's not
Name,
go and
right?
put this one. You know what the command is? The command is that you want to tell, you will give the command and say rename a. That means that A is the old name, but you want to give it B, so you have to write it as rename A, then you put space, you will say B. It means that you are telling STATA that help me to rename this A to call B. In this case now,
Is
you
this
want to
one
rename
right?
variable window. Go to variable window. What you did before, it was okay.
Here, right?
Yes. Click
Okay.
it.
And then
Now go back to your command. It's okay. Complete this last one to be add E.
okay. But I need to delete this, right?
No. You are not deleting it. The right thing is you are telling STATA, I want to change somebody's name.
Okay. Rename name to name. Okay.
Perfect. Do enter.
Oh gosh.
Enter. Can you see? Is it perfect now? We are warming
Yes,
up.
there is rename, name, and here, right?
Yes, you have
This
done it
one.
now. Can you see your variable window? Is it okay now? Do you like it now?
Yes.
Okay. Then do you know how to
Now it's okay.
browse? If you want to look at what you have at the back end, do you know how to do it?
No.
Now, I mentioned that you can browse it. Do you remember? And I said you can be writing command or you can do point and click. Do you remember?
I heard that, but I didn't.
In your command window, write browse. Browse.
Okay. No, browse. Okay.
Okay.
This I know. Okay.
If it's wrong, I'm waiting for it to give you error so that you will know that error is normal. So when I'm not there and you are getting error, you will not be scared. Enter. Do it.
That
Don't be scared to make mistake. We'll correct it. She has done it. So this is it. You have browsed it using command. You enter this place using command. So close it. I want you to use point and click. Close this one.
okay.
If you want to do point and click, like maybe you did not remember the command, but the beauty of STATA is that the commands are very simple. You want to write some, you want to say generate, you want to tabulate, you just write tabulate, describe. So but if you want to do it point and click, if you click on data, go to that menu where you have file, edit, data, click data.
Okay.
You see data editor.
Describe data editor. Yes.
You can see data editor, edit and browse.
And browse. Yes.
Now click browse.
Oh, I need
You see it
browse.
has
Okay.
performed the same thing, right? Thank you so much.
Yes.
So stop
Thank you.
sharing. I want Mr. Okay to share. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Star Blessing, are you
Uh,
there?
that's
Yeah.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am.
All right. Mr. Okay,
Yes, I'm
please.
here. I think I've run through. Okay, I'm sharing
Okay.
that I've captured the 90% of.
Of that. Okay. Thank you. It's something else we want to do now. Star Blessing, any question?
No.
No
No
question.
question.
Mhm. Thank you. Mr.
Let me
Okay.
share. I want to get that error this thing. And that's what I've not got here.
Okay. Oh yeah, maximize your window so we can see
I
it
want
clearly. Maximize the window.
okay.
You minimize. The second one is to maximize it, to make it big.
Oh gosh. Is it okay?
Mm, no. Use the, you see now. No, no, no. Bring it up. You have one arrow that is showing one. No, no, no. No, leave it. Leave this one. This starter window, you have something that is showing like minus, and there's another box. It is that box that I want you to click to make it big, not the minus. Do you see? Maximize. Click.
Yes.
Yes, click. Let me see. So this is maximize. So you have done this, right? Thank you very much. You said you want to get error. Eh?
Yeah, I want to get error. Red this thing.
Oh
Yes.
yeah. This your rename. Remove e from it, or just write name, because starter did not understand that name. The commands. This one may recognize. Oh yeah, enter. Let me see. Leave it. Thank you. So
Yeah.
this error now, starter is
Okay.
telling you
Thank
that
you.
when you want to rename, starter will give you clue, but not every time. When you want to rename, they are telling you that the syntax, that is the command, is that you will write rename, you will put old name and tell me the new name that you want. That's what starter is telling you. They are correcting you already. And there are two ways you can do that. Sister Pe, there are two different ways you can do that. If you have many variables, I'll be teaching us that, so let's not go there today. There are two different ways you can do that. If you want to do it multiple things at a time, there's a way we'll do it, and we'll use brackets to rename, so we'll get there. Now Mr. Okay, what I want us to do now is I want you to close this your starter file. I want you to go and open that sec that, you know, I asked us to copy two things. So don't save this one. The
Yes.
information we have, close it. Don't minimize it. Don't waste effort. So I want it.
Okay.
Good. Now go to that. Close it. Close it. Don't save because we don't need it. Go to your desktop. Your desktop. That file that I ask you to keep. You know that we have this sec 1, right? And we have sec 2. If you look at the type, it's showing you that it's a
Yes.
starter data set. So when you have starter data set that you want to work with, all you need to do it is just open it straight. Open it. Click on it and it will open.
Let's open.
Open it.
Okay.
Thank
It's
you.
open.
Yes, thank you. So please, everybody, pay attention to this. When you have starter data sets, what you need to do is just open it straight. The same way that when you have Microsoft Word, you don't need to go and be using, if you have Microsoft Word on your system and you want to open Word documents, what will you do? You will click on it and it will open by itself, right? And last on Wednesday when we were doing the induction,
Yes.
you remember that UBK did not have Microsoft Word on her system, and she wanted to open that the Word document that has this serial number and co and co. She was unable to open it because there is no Microsoft Word software or
No.
the app on her system, right? So the same way, when you want to
Exactly.
open starter, you don't need to import, you don't need to do anything, you just open it straight and you have this data set. Is this not beautiful? because this data set is well
It
arranged
is.
because it is in STATA format. Now look at your variable window. So Mr. Okay, try to adjust this window, the result window, reduce the result window so that you bring the variable window out small. Thank you. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Eshe. Thank you. UBK, please stay with me. Oh.
Well,
You must get everything. Oh. I know Sister Blessing, she's guru. She's there, but please call my attention if you have any question. So all these ones are
I'm
just
here.
so these ones are just paparazzi, like for us to get to know. If you look at this variable window, you can see you have zone, state, local government. Now, Mr. Okay, please go to the variable properties window and tell me how many variables do we have and how many observations do we have in this data set.
variables, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
One
9.
170.
So no, oh, you want to start counting it. So Mr. Okay, you are not going to count it. You see these properties, it will give us the summary of what we have. So if you look at this
You have
properties
100.
window, can you see the properties window? Everybody, please, let's look at it together. Mr. Steven, are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. You see variable, we have name this one, but because we have so many things there, we are not specifying one. The other part that is talking about the data, we have file name, frame. The file name is sec1 harvest. You can see it. It is labeled as Nigeria GHS panel wave 5, and you have variables. So these variables is telling you the number
Yes.
of variables that you have in this data set. So how many do you have, Mr.
Okay.
Okay?
117.
God bless you, sir. What about observation? How many observations?
117.
No, look at it again.
Observation is
8,200.
28,256.
Thank you so much. So this is it. So instead of us to be counting this variable one after the other, now what we have done, thank you so much,
Huh?
family. So what we have done with that empty file that we used to, can you please describe this data? We want to look at what is happening at the back end. We want to see what we have inside the file. So what are you going to do?
We go to data
Mm-hmm.
and look for either in the browser or the top part.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. So now, Mr. Okay, please do it. Please do it. Data. Is under data.
Okay. Isa should do what?
You want
That
to
data.
describe. We want to
Okay.
see. We want to browse it. Not even describe. We want to browse.
Data editor.
Okay. Describe editor. Describe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Data
Data
editor.
editor browse.
Data browse, please.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you see? Now, let's look at the beauty of STATA. If you notice, you will see that STATA can you know, when I was writing Mary, Titi, Ope that time, it was showing red that the number is a string. It's seeing it as a text. But now
Yes.
this is showing as blue. You know why? STATA have that STATA can take both, you can store your information there in both number and as a text. So STATA have that chance, like it will take the two depending on whatever you want to do. If you see Southeast is code as 4, Abia is 1. You see other things. You can see that the male is written as 1, female is written as 2. So please, what we are doing here, we are browsing. Please try to scroll up and down and look at what we have there. So we have 117 variables and we have 28,256 observations. Are we clear? So Mr. Okay, can you see? So you can go to
Yes, I can see.
go to the right too. Let's see. Let's see
Please, I
what.
have a question.
Please ask, Sister Mary.
Wait, what's the difference between variables and observation?
Thank you. Because I must talk about it before we leave. So can you see the beauty of STATA? See amount of information that you have. You know this is secondary data. It's collected already. This is just one data set. Hmm. Hmm. So thank you. Can you see? Because we have good information now. Hmm? You can see some missing values up and down. We'll learn all this, how to clean data. We'll talk about how to extract. Because in this file now, you may not need all the variables. Maybe like the variables you need, they are in two, maybe like 10 data sets. We should learn how to extract and also learn how to match them. And that will give you like extra this thing ahead of others. So thank you so much, Mr. Okay, you can go back to the command window, to the main interface.
It's okay.
Thank you. So let's look at the difference between observation and variables without reading dictionary and looking for and be cramming it. So now, as a way of practice, like let's do it practical. In this space here now, if I look at this number, we have six participants are here, right? You see, if I now ask us, please, where are you joining us from? Sister Mary will tell me I'm from London. The other person is telling me I'm from Ghana. One is saying Nigeria. I'm in US. Do you get it? You see that location that I'm asking us? Your location is a variable. Then I'm asking another question, like tell me your age. Age is also a variable. And I say, what about your gender? And you are telling me your gender. Those three things that I asked, they are called variables. So variables are the one that we normally have at the this column. Mr. Okay, please browse this thing. Use command this time around. Browse. Type it. Type browse in the
Okay.
command window instead of going through long journey. No, you are typing in history window. I don't catch you.
Down, down
Thank you.
command.
Okay, okay, down.
Yes. Browse. UBK, sorry, UBK say don't speak pidgin. I am
Yes, I
not.
don't. I have difficult to speak English, so if you speak in pidgin, I would die here.
Yeah, don't
Please,
worry, I will not.
I beg.
I will not. So browse. Oh yeah, enter it. Sister Mary is laughing.
Yes,
So Mr. Okay, you see now, people can learn through either you can use command or you will be doing point and click. Any one that is convenient for you is what you should use. So you see,
so,
Sister Mary,
ma'am, sorry,
let's clarify the difference between variable and observation. So I and UBK, I'm
ma'am,
coming.
can I just ask a quick question,
Oh
please?
yeah, ask.
Ma, to reach this table, the place Mr. Stephen is,
Mm,
he just typed browse
mm,
uh, under comments and he reached here.
mm.
Because when I did the same things, I didn't get this command. I didn't reach I didn't get this sheet
Okay,
here.
it's true. It's true. You know the reason you do not have this sheet is because You know, this time around we are using that our data set. The data set we are using now
Okay.
is sec1 harvest. That time
Okay.
we were the one that created that one. It was empty sheet. We just tried to like, okay, let's put something under the variable. That was when you generated name. Do you get? And we
Mm-hmm.
now try to like, okay, we
Yes.
just use it to explore, to browse. So if client A should give you a data set and you put browse, it will give you what client A
Okay.
is having in that data set. If client B should come with
Mm-hmm.
another data set and you are working on it, what you will be getting will be different. The most important thing is for you to know what to do. Do you get? Don't worry,
So,
you know.
so to reach this data, you just tap browse down,
Mm,
and you will reach this place.
yes, you just look at it.
Thank you.
That's browse. But if you want to edit it, if I want to start editing it, like where somebody puts umaya, I don't want to make mistake. That I don't want to make any mistake. That's the reason I say I want to browse it, because I can mistakenly um remove something. I can delete anything if I put it under edit. I can delete something though
Okay.
it will show. I can correct it by not saving it, like I want to undo. Ehen. So is it clear? Now Sister
Yes.
Mary, look at it. You see this zone. So you see zone, state,
Can
local
can
government,
can you
sector.
go back to the main page, please?
Let's explain the difference between variable and observation. Sister Mary's
Okay,
question.
no problem.
Thank you. So
Yes,
Sister
please.
Mary, are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. So you see zone, state, local government, sector, all of these that you are seeing. This one in this column, all this one in column, they are called variables. Now observation, you see this observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is because we did not put their name. We did not put their name. This is somebody's information, one person. Let's say this observation 1 is Sister Mary. You are the one telling me, Mr. Okay, help us put it, let it be stable. Thank you. So let's say Sister Mary is number 1. Mr. Okay, we are using your screen. Oh. Take it to the beginning, please. Thank you. God bless you, sir. Okay. Let's say Sister Mary is this number 1. Is this number 1? Sister Mary is telling me that is from southeast. The state that you are from is Abia. Your local government is this. Your sector is this. All the information in front of this number 1, which we have identified to be you, they are your information. So you see number 1 is representing each person. That is observation. Observation means to look at. That means the people we are looking at. Sister Mary, are you with me? I don't want to be using grammar. You know, we can easily browse the meaning of variables and observation. But I'm showing you practically, like this is it. Zone is a variable. State, variable. Income, variable. Gender, variable. Household size, variable. But observation is talking about how many people. They can call it your respondents. Is it clear to you now? Sister Blessing, oh yeah, ask your question.
So can we say observation is the result we got, or we are trying to the result or the data we are trying to like get our
Observation,
information?
observations means your respondents. So you have respondent 1, respondent 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have 28,256 respondents. You know the meaning of respondents, abi? People that answer, people that fill your questionnaire for you.
Yes, yes.
The group of people that you are
Okay.
studying, the people you are studying, individual that you
Yeah.
are looking at, how many of them, they will tell you how many questionnaire do you fill. That means how many people do you have in your study, how many replicates. They are called observation. Is it clear? Somebody is raising hand. Ask your question. I want to go back to UBK's question. Please ask. Somebody else has dropped.
Um,
Ask your question, please.
no, you've answered.
Okay, you are okay, right? Sister
Yeah.
Mary, is it clear now?
Very clear. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sister Blessing, is it clear?
Yes, it is.
God bless you. Now, thank you so much, Mr. Okay. Please help us go back to the main page. UBK wants to ask a question.
Okay.
Oh yeah, UBK, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh yeah, ask.
My question was how to reach the sheet. The you see the place was using now, right now. That's
Yeah.
datas.
Mm.
That's list. I know where they are because we create a folder for them, but I do not understand how to reach there and to open them and to start, you know, uh how to say, to start going on it,
Okay.
working on it. So I
Okay.
need to know how you reach that place.
This okay. Thank you. Me, I will remove my hand though. It is now Mr. Okay that will explain to us. Mr. Okay, close this one and show us step by step. How did you open this data set? Which one do you open so that UBK will also open our own and all of us will be on the same page. This is the place I normally say I remove my hand though. Let participants show that they understand what we are doing. Am I the one that is out of the group? Na me o. Ah, wait. I'm coming back. Hmm, I think it's my MB. Let me switch. This is not good. Kiledo. Network don show me balance. Eh. Somebody called me and say that you are not just teaching like all this adult education. I say don't want because you have to understand if they know it they won't pay for the class. People want to learn. So, me I always take my time.
Right, you really tried. You are teaching like it's just like all these computer thing
And
that we used to go for this certification.
you are currently
Certification training.
they even sent an invite to me to come and be one of these people. It's outside the country but it's online.
Okay.
That I should come and but it will clash with my own.
But I like the method they are using. At least participatory and very good.
If not, people will just be there. They will not. They will hide. Meanwhile, money is wasting. You have to know it.
And this helps them to understand.
That's why if I want to get like 20 in class, 50, it will be there. But if there are many, they will not get
Yeah,
it.
yeah. It should even be too cumbersome for you to be able to engage all of them.
They don't engage them, they will just teach generally and leave.
This method is, in fact, is the best method. So everybody is involved, hands-on, kind of
Yes.
thinking. So you understand how to.
Okay, me and my people. So I'll watch them now. Maybe they continue because if my network threw me off or they are waiting for me. But I trust them, they
Is
will
the network back
continue.
now?
And I log in another one.
Okay. Jẹ́ kẹ́ continue pẹ̀lú tèmi nígbà wọn.
Àti ṣetán is already 8. Ṣé ẹ fẹ́ máa lọ ni? Ẹ bá fẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ń sìn yín, ẹ má yẹn. Let me round up with them. I did not pause this thing.